Lolo. Magandang hapon, sir. My name is Tacoban John Paul, BSIT 3G. Let's explain the 5 of assessment. Number 1. How do you configure multiple database connection in Laravel, and why might you need this in a real-world application? About this, sir, in modern web application development, the need for efficient data management is paramount. Laravel, a popular PHP framework, provides robust support for database interactions. One of its standout features is the ability to configure multiple database connections. This capability allows developers to interact with different databases seamless within a single application. Number 2. How can Laravel clearly builder be used of efficiently retrieve data from the database, and what is a real world example of this? Laravel's Curly Builders is a powerful tool that facilitates in efficient retrieval of data from database in PHP applications. It offers a fluent interface for constructing database queries, allowing developer to write expressive and readable code. This tool abstracts much of complexity associated with raw SQL queries while providing robust functionalities such as filtering, sorting, and aggregating data. Number 3. How do you define and use eloquent models in Laravel, and what is a practical use case for this? Eloquent models are fundamental figure of the Laravel framework, serving as object relational mapping ORM system that simplifies database interaction. In Laravel, Eloquent provides a seamless way to define models that represent database tables and allows the developers to interact with those tables using intuitive and expressive syntax. Number 4, what are migration in Laravel, and how are they used to manage database schema changes? Migration in Laravel represent a pivotal feature of framework, facilitating the management of database schema changes in a structured and systematic manner. At its core, a migration can be understood as a version control system for the database, akin to how Git functions the code. This analogy underscores to the significance of migrations, as they allow developers to define and share their database schema changes collaboratively within their teams. 5. How do you create and use seeders in Laravel to populate your database with initial data? A popular PHP framework provides an elegant solution for database management through its seeder functionality. Seeders are classes that allows the developers to populate their database with initial data, which is particularly useful during the development phase or when setting up a new application. That's the 5 of assessment. Thank you and good afternoon.